Welcome students of class 11. Now I will discuss on the next part of this chapter, that is redox reaction. Last class I have discussed about the balancing of redox reaction by using the oxidation number method, and then I have told you there was another method which is called ion electron method. So to balance on reaction by ion electron method, we have to separate the two halves, the two reaction half. One is oxidation half and another one is reduction half. How we can separate this? That is by using the oxidation number. That means which one is oxidized and which one is reduced. This should be identified first, and then we will equate the change in the oxidation state by using the electron. That means if there is oxidation, then there is the liberation of electron. If there is reduction, then there is absorption of electron by the species. So in this way, by following some steps also, just like the before, we can balance a chemical equation. So going to that section, that is ion electron method, or it is also called Huff reaction method. Okay, so just follow one example, that is of dichromate, Cr2O7 2 minus plus Fe2 plus H plus, forming Cr3 plus Fe3 plus and H2O. Cr3 plus Fe3 plus H2O. Now from this general equation, you can tell that the reaction occurred in the acidic medium, because this is H plus indicates this, the reaction is in acidic medium. Okay, so this is the ion electron method, balancing the redox reaction by ion electron method. Now just like before, just put the oxidation number, that is here, assuming x, 2x minus 14, that is equal to minus 2, x equal to plus 12, sorry, 2x equal to x equal to plus 6. So plus 6. 2 here plus 3. Here iron is in plus 2, 2 here plus 3. Okay, so the react systems are Cr 2O7 2 minus 2 Cr3 plus, and iron 2 plus 2 iron 3 plus. This is the reduction half. And it is the oxidation half. Okay, so this is the reduction half and this is the oxidation half. Now how can this reaction can occur? That is from 6 oxidation states to plus 3 oxidation states. Okay, now here for every chromium there is the decrease in the oxidation state is equal to 3 units. Now there are 2 chromium atom, that means how many total charge? That is of 6 unit. So here reduction occurs. So reduction means taking up of electron, that is of 6e. Here the electron will release. So we can write it down by this way. Okay. Now to balance the number of electron, we have to multiply it by 6. 6 Fe2 plus 6 Fe3 plus 6e. Now just writing down the equation, Cr2O7 2 minus plus 6 Fe2 plus H plus. Then here Cr3 plus 6 Fe3 plus H2O. Now just delete this portion, that is H plus or H2O, because it will come later on. Now Just balance the number of chromium atom. Here 2, now chromium balance. Now number of oxygen atom is 7. So I have told you earlier that how can we balance it? By using water molecule 7H2O. Now water is balanced. Now to neutralize the hydrogen, here we should use 14H plus. Now the reaction is balanced. Okay, so first of all put down the oxidation state, find the oxidation and reduction half, then equate the change in the oxidation or equate the change the charge by using electron, that is for oxidation it is in the right half and for reduction it is in the left half. Multiply the equation to equate the number of electrons absorbed and released, then write down the equation once again and then balance the oxygen atom by putting H2O, then balance the hydrogen ion by using H plus in the left side of the equation. Then you can get the full equation. Cr2O72 minus plus 14H plus 6Fe2 plus forming 6Fe3 plus 2Cr3 plus 7H2O. Okay. Again I will follow one more example on this pattern, that is by ion electron method. Chlorate ion oxidizes Mn2 plus to MnO2. Okay, so chlorate ion oxidizes Mn2 plus to MnO2. So chlorate ion oxidizes Mn2 plus to MnO4 minus Mn2 plus to Mn2 plus to MnO2. Now chlorate ClO3 minus oxidizes Mn2 plus to MnO2, and what is the change in the oxidation state? That is Cl minus. Yes, Cl minus. Okay, now follow that reaction, change in the oxidation state. Here it is in plus 2, here x minus 6 equal to minus 1, x equal to plus 5, so plus 5, here minus 1. Okay, so there is a huge change in the oxidation state of chlorine having a change in the oxidation state, that is equal to plus 5 to minus 1, that is 6 unit. Manganese only 2 unit, so we have to multiply this by 3 so that we can equate the number of electrons and then write down the equation once again. So the ClO3 minus to Cl minus plus ClO3 minus to Cl minus, that is of plus 6 unit. That is, it is the oxidation, it is the reduction. So here the electron will take up, that is 6e, and Mn2 plus 2Mn4 plus, that is MnO2 plus 2E. Okay, so we can equate the number, that is by using 3, 3, 6E. Now the electron becomes same, so the reactions become ClO3 minus plus 3Mn2 plus, arrow sign 3MnO2 plus Cl minus. Okay, that is 3Mn2 plus 3MnO2 6 Cl minus. Now see that oxygen here is 3, here oxygen is 6. Okay, so in this way how can we can balance the number of oxygen atom, that is the chlorine atom is also balanced here. So to equate oxygen atom we have to use the in case of this reaction only we have to use the hydroxyl ion on the reaction. Okay, follow up to this step. Okay, now we have to balance the number of oxygen atom. Here oxygen atom is 6, here oxygen atom is 3. Okay, so how we can balance, that is here we should add 3 H2O molecules, then the oxygen molecule is balanced, but here we have to use 6 H plus so that hydrogen atom is balanced. So in this way ClO3 minus plus 3Mn2 plus 3H2O forming MnO2 plus 6H plus Cl minus. So this is the balanced equation form. Very simple. The addition of H plus or OH minus according to the need, but if the reaction is given that the in acidic medium, then in the reactant side it will be the H plus ion and in the product side it will be the production of H2O. Okay, you can try for more examples on the reactions involving very important one. You will try it at your home. I am writing down Cr2O7 2 minus, Cr2O7 2 minus. In the next will, when the online class will start, I will ask you about the balancing system. Cr2O7 2 minus plus Sn2 plus, Sn2 plus H plus, Cr3 plus Sn4 plus H2O, Sn4 plus H2O. So here also by using the ion electron method we can easily balance the equation, and you will try it at your home. I am repeating this, that is dichromate 2 minus Cr2O7 2 minus plus Sn2 plus H plus arrow Cr3 plus Sn4 plus and H2O. Okay, now students, from the next week it will, the online class will start again. Up to this we having the news on that, that is the online class will start again. Now this is probably the last video of offline one. So thank you for watching this video, and next week we will meet with the online class. Okay, so uh, bye bye students, and take care of your health, and bye bye everyone.